Let's do a fast mental subtraction using round and compensate. Here is the problem. 83 minus 17. Step 1. Identify the hard part. 17 is awkward, but it is very close to 20, which is easy to subtract. Replace 17 by 20 for a moment. Notice we rounded up by 3. Step 2. Do the easy subtraction. 83 minus 20 equals 63. This result is a little too small because we subtracted 20 instead of 17. Step 3. Compensate for the over subtraction. Add back 3. 63 plus 3 equals 66. Finally, write the original subtraction with the correct answer. 83 minus 17 equals 66. Why this works? 1. Round. Replace 17 by 20. 2. Subtract the round number to get 63. 3. Compensate. Add back the 3 you over-subtracted to get 66. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerseMaths.